mean, we're just a little spot in the road, obviously. We run a very small crew, and I honestly, I feel that's why we're so efficient, because less hands in the bucket. I have another full-time guy here in the warehouse, but before that, I had 2 seasonal guys, and I ran the show the other part of the year. A little bit of everything, pretty well, from making sure all my employees are doing stuff safely in a timely manner, and for all the paperwork, any shipping papers, maintaining, make sure all the trucks are, up to par with DOT guidelines and stuff like that. I'm real OCD, and I just like everything to all come together and everything to go, smooth. Every location, we do what we gotta do to help other locations out, whether it be, shipping chemical or seed to other locations to help them get their customer stuff in a timely manner as well. Like when a customer pulls up, a farmer, rolls in, I want him to look at the warehouse and be like, okay, I want everything to look presentable. I want to be like, well, okay, this is a nice place of business, because at the end of the day, I feel the appearance is what, makes it everything. During planting season, if the guy's out planting cotton and need seed at 9 o'clock at night, most of our growers all have my number, and I just tell them, give me a holler, I'll run up here and get you what you need and keep you going, It really does feel like a family-owned business. It don't feel like we're, all over. it feels like we're just right here. And the bosses are great. We all work, like I said, we all work together like a family. We all want each other to exceed just as much as ourselves, and we, whether it be chemical or seed, we move stuff where it needs to be to make everybody happy.